going on YouTube? It's Payout Pete here, back with another trade review. Today's January 22nd. We opened up near overnight high, dumped, and we're inside this distribution, so I was looking along this area. We drop on down to the 5-minute time frame. Did quite a few trades today, over traded today, but this is what the morning looked like. After this initial rip up on the 650 candle, I was looking to get long somewhere in the wick of this candle. I get tagged in long, but I get stopped out on the volatility spike right here. Just dumps, stops me out, and bids back within this chop. Here I'm looking for, I see bid holding prices here, but it's very choppy. So I kind of get indecisive. I get in, I scratch out. I get in, I scratch out. This is where I went retard. I just thought after all this volume build down here that we might just fall through because we're trading the literal lows for so long. So I actually faded my own strategy here. I took a short, stopped out, and then lastly I tried long twice here and finally caught the long all the way back up near previous day high. And then what happened afterwards was pretty much just greed. I tried, normally I don't take trades this far away from my zone unless it's like some sort of MGI there that I could use. That's like a level like from yesterday, like IB low, IB high, previous day low, overnight high, overnight low kind of MGI. No MGI here. I just tried to long it to continue the move up through this main distribution. Try to get some size back on. Failed longs here, tried the same thing here, got stopped out to the tick on both of these long opportunities, and then it moved up. This was me dragging my entry much higher, didn't like it, scratched out. Same here along the literal highs, didn't like it. It was retarded because at this point there was a massive drop off in the profile, so I scratched out. And then something interesting happened. We double bottomed off of previous day high with a really big rebid here on came in on the footprint that you could see, and it did it a couple times, 1, 2, and then after the second time I set a limit order at the beginning of this zone, the beginning of this node, got tapped in, and then tried to take it to the other side. First TPs was the other side. Second set of TPs was an imbalance we had in the footprint up here somewhere. And then lastly, I was holding this last runner here to get IB high, and then probably a Trump tweet happened, and I got stopped out at a price that didn't even trade yet by, let's see, by 6 points. Yeah. So that's it for me, boys. I think the only trade I may take on after this, but I have to end the recording, is I might take a short up here, overnight high, IB high. That's essentially the other side of the balance, right up here. If we get up here, we peak above overnight high, and we fail to build volume and we fall back under, I may consider shorting it to play this node. Alright guys, stick around for the video if you want to see how the trades went down live. Catch you guys on the next one. Oof. What the fuck, man? Damn, dude, today is not fucking easy. Try to add here, see what happens. Plan for the runner is to take it out at the peak of this high time frame balance. Drop down in 5 minute. Sorry, the 1 hour. We rejected from overnight high, which was the taper area of this distribution. Open and sell off, got to the other side of this distribution and started chopping like crazy, and surprisingly the buyers held it. At one point I went short. Triple bottom this drop off in volume, and then yeah, I'm trying to take it off right here in this peak. 680, 685, something like that. Let's see, I'll trail this thing up. And like that. I'm out. Yeah. Rip it. Double doji up, man. Holy shit. I'm really liking this now. Yo, what the? Oh man, I got taken out too. Getting filled at a price that hasn't even been traded, courtesy of the micro ladder. I got filled right here. What the? This is some fucking micro ladder, dude. This fucking micro ladder bullshit right here. But it happens. I don't see why they couldn't have done that to the upside to get to tag IB high first. Why is it always got to be against our position? It's fucking China bombs, dude. Yeah, every time I think about saying I can't believe it happened at NQ, it just does this shit all the time.